so excited you're here because today I have been on a shopping trip. I have gone shopping with my husband. He is my very best shopping companion, and we've gone to Hobby Lobby and to Walmart. I couldn't wait to go see what they had out for the new holiday season, and I have found so many wonderful deals and really cute things. I'm gonna get started and show you. I have a whole big array of things here, but it's easier for me just to hold them up and show you. So I'm gonna start first with, I think I'm gonna start with the biggest thing first. I purchased this beautiful big greenery from Walmart. Look at this. This is so nice and it looks so real. It's 9 foot. It's by My Texas House. That's the brand. It is 9 feet long. And this is gonna go on my fireplace. And I'm gonna put some beautiful white lights in it. But just look at it. It's so pretty and it's so soft. It's almost like a really super soft rubbery fabric, so it drapes really nicely, just like the real greenery would. And how much? I think this was about, oh, there it is right on the front in big letters and big numbers, $29. So that was a good deal compared to some other ones I've seen. And the convenience of just being able to go see it and pick it up at Walmart was wonderful. I like to see things before I get them rather than just ordering online and hoping for the best. It's a lot easier than having to return something. But to go in the lights across the fireplace, I found these wonderful 100 cool lights. They're mini lights, and I purchased some with a green, you can see they have a green cord so that it'll blend in really nicely with the big garland. As far as lights go, look at these. I found these little lights at Walmart too, and there are 20 on here. These are little indoor LED battery operated lights. I got a few of these. They were only $2.24, and each set takes 2 AA batteries. So these will be nice to put on just some little things like some wreaths and different things like that. I'll just get moving along here so you don't get impatient. These are a couple little wreaths I bought. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these. They were from Hobby Lobby, and I actually got these a week or two ago when they had the greenery on sale. So these will go over some candles, probably around my house for the holidays, and I'm going to put a velvety bow and some little gold bells with those. I got these little snowflakes. These are little glittery snowflake ornaments, or you could do anything. They're craft paper, and they were all the things at Hobby Lobby were 50% off today, Christmas Eve when I went. So I'll put these on gift packages or just some little baked goods. When I put them in little gift bags, I can put these on top of those. They'll look so nice. If you've never seen these are super cool and super fun to decorate with. It's just like, almost like a pipe cleaner, but it is actually like the greenery. And these were only $1.50 with the 50% off, but they have a wire so you can bend them around different things. And these are made to take garlands and wrap around garlands and hook to different things. But these are also fun to put on gift packages and add a little, maybe like add a ribbon and one of these curled around the handles of the gift bag. You can do all sorts of fun things with those. And I got these little cute branches from Hobby Lobby. They're super nice. They were $3.99 each, but then on the sale, they ended up being $2 each. So these will be really pretty to put in a big picture that I have that I'm going to put some decorations on. And all of these things will be in my upcoming videos. So be sure to check out and come back and see what I'm going to do with all of these things. I don't even know right now what I'm going to do with all of them. So we'll all be excited together to see what I'm going to do with these things. And then I bought this package of snowflakes. I was shopping with a friend, and these actually came in a multiple package. These are from Hobby Lobby too. I don't remember how much they were because I took the tag off of those when I came home from shopping that day. Look at this beautiful church. This is a wooden church, and it was $15.99 and then 50% off. So this was something super cool that I got. I was really excited, and I think I'll put some lights behind it, maybe just tape some on the back so they can shine through the windows and the door. And I think that for Christmas, what I'm planning to do is leave the little trees and put some different things around this. Like for instance, this cute little snowman ornament. This will be cute sitting outside the church. And this was 50% off as well. I couldn't resist. This cute little glittery fellow with the little animals. But then I think I'll remove the trees and put something else here. And then I'll be able to set this out and use this for Easter as well. And if you notice, there's something that's unison about all of these things that I'm getting here and showing you. Everything I have gotten, I realize, has a flat profile. Everything is narrow and flat, and that's because I don't like storing big things. When I put my things away, I don't like to have giant totes everywhere. I just like to have my things organized and orderly, and as well as these beautiful snowflakes. These are from Hobby Lobby. They were $5.99, but then 50% off. And once again, they're nice and flat. So all of these things will be really easy to store. Even these beautiful decorated branches, these decorative branches are also flat as well. So I always think ahead when I go shopping to buy things for Christmas. I'll be able to lay these nice and flat in a tote so that they don't take up a lot of room. This beautiful snowflake with the beautiful glazy front is super smooth and glossy. This is from Walmart, and I believe this was $5 something. I'm a little bit efficient with taking the tags off. I've already taken the tag off of that right away. And then I have several of these beautiful glittery snowflakes as well. Once again, they're flat. And these were $3.99, so they ended up being $2 each. And these will be nice just to put around the house. And I have some more big snowflakes. These are gonna go in the tree in my front yard. I'm gonna take some fishing line, so it's like a clear, heavy plastic thread. I'll tie the fishing line. Don't worry, Alan. I'll make sure to ask you which fishing line I can have before I take off with it and start stringing my snowflakes up in the tree. But these take up little room to store it also. They're nice and flat, but these will be pretty hanging out in the tree in my front yard that is full of white lights. These were on a clearance, so I got these are electric lights, so I don't have to use up a whole bunch of batteries when I'm using these. These were on the clearance at Hobby Lobby for 99 cents, which is a great deal. I don't know, well, they were regularly $3.99, but we can definitely use those around the holiday season because I like to have everything lit up. Now this next thing I got, okay, well, it's a little tangly right now, but this is a gingerbread garland. And this garland has, I think, like 7 really cute little puppy gingerbread men, but I'm not gonna use this for a garland. There we go, it untangled that easily. I'm participating in a collaboration and it's gonna be about gingerbreads and I'll be advertising that soon. But this collaboration will not be a garland. I'm gonna use these little gingerbread. I'm just gonna clip them in between and make something else out of this. It was such a good deal to get these. They were $12.99, so it was only $6.50 to get all of these little gingerbreads on the little ribbon, then to go and buy individual gingerbread items for my collaboration that I'm going to be participating in. I have one more item to show you, and I'm going to go get that now. Oops, I accidentally forgot. I have 2 more items to show you. So this is a tablecloth my husband got. It's nice when he finds something in Hobby Lobby too, because that way he likes to go back more often. So he found this really nice. It's a heavy vinyl tablecloth. It has the flannel backing, which is the really soft backing. So you can use this over and over again and you can easily wipe it down. But of course, it's a football field and he'll be really enjoying this when we have football get-togethers or outdoor get-togethers and he's barbecuing and cooking. And this was $7.49 and it was in the fall decor. So it is 40% off, but it's super nice and I know he was excited to find it. So this will be really great. And I have the one last thing I told you about, and it is this beautiful wreath. Now I haven't fluffed this up yet, but it is gonna look so nice when it's fluffed up. It's 24 inches and it has the really nice reinforced double metal ring. So it's super heavy duty and sturdy. It's very nice. And it has all sorts of little leaves. It has the same matching leaves that my little fireplace garland has. You can see them there. It has, well, I should say they're branches, not leaves. And it has beautiful little pine cones. This was only $16.98. It is really nice, and it's so much nicer than some of the ones we saw at Hobby Lobby today that were a lot more. So this was a really, really great find. We were so excited to find this, and I'm going to be using this in a collaboration, and then I think we'll decorate this with white lights and put it outside on the rafters of our outdoor kitchen. So this will be nice to decorate with. It can go outside as well as inside, and it is a cypress. It's called the 24-inch Sonoma Cypress Wreath. So in case you go looking for something like this, you'll easily be able to find it. My Walmart store is very small. It's not very big at all. And I was so happy to find these things in my Walmart store. I'm so glad you're here today. I hope this inspired you to get out and look for some Christmas decorations and get inspired for the upcoming season. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I really appreciate you, and I'm so thankful and grateful for all of you, and I will see you next time.